coal fire in a hot country. I don't know what that's for. Is it for that stuff? Oh, wow. See, you look at all of that and you think, my God. Jeez. Do you want to like keep one for a scrapbook or something?
Yeah, you can do.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all English.
They're all English. Oh, we're coming back here. So we've just got back to room. Yeah, we didn't do generally a lot today, did we?
Yeah, not really.
With it being his first day, we were getting used to the area. Didn't even do a walk around. No, because I don't think the food agreed with us last night. So, and plus we don't even know how many drinks last night. So this morning we were just like, it might as well just been a write off.
We spent some time by the pool.
Yeah. Can't even see you.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, I think we went down there about 12. We got up at 8:30 before anybody says lazy. But we just felt awful. So we just wasn't used to the sun, wasn't used to the food, wasn't used to the drink. We don't usually drink this much at home either. And I don't know, with kids not being here, it's just we're just not used to being running around by ourselves, doing it all. So we came back to bed and we woke up, went down, sat around the pool for a bit, chilled there, fell asleep again, and woke up all tanned. Scott somehow ended up patchy, like a squashy. We don't understand how that worked. And then we came back, got ready for dinner, went off to dinner. Then we went and had a walk around the market that's just outside of the hotel. Found the also Concorde Salam Sport, which is like a 2-minute walk from our hotel to there. Like in the same, I think you come through the same security gate, and then they're both in the same area, so they're not that far from each other at all. That's all we really did, didn't we? Then we came back, found out there was a beach party, so went and had a look at that down there. As you've seen before, but from what today's been like, I'll probably just put it in with tomorrow's for in case, but if that ends up being longer, then this will just be a little one on its own, because there's a bit there from what we recorded at the market and down there. But yeah, so sorry today's not been so interesting, but hope you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, and what I caught of the hotel walking round. But yeah, so if you've liked what you've seen so far, just like and subscribe us. Got fish there. Got fish there.
A to tak samo mam. Jak dasz do wody, woda do wody. Wyszłe.
Right behind you.
Poczekaj, to ja wchodzę.
Right, just stay there. Look. Wow!
Still there, has it gone? Oh,
Yeah, it's there. It's an angel tank. Used to have these fish. Hey, take a picture of me with back of it.
Huh?
You got a picture of me with back in.
Back in.
Like this. You over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Picture of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chloe don't come back here and we want to come back in 26. My mum and dad will definitely come with us.
You never know, even Kate might come. Okay, it gives them 2 years to save up.
Yeah.
Oh, what am I to do with it?
Dunk it underwater and just try and catch some fish in it.
Oh, I don't know where the fish are. I don't know if I got it though. Oh, they're going off or did another fish come in? Yeah, definitely plenty of fish here though.